breaking inputs coming in. We are given to understand that an Air India flight AI 479 marginally entered into Pakistani airspace during a go-around procedure. Air India has confirmed this development in a statement. We have Hina and Shefali, my colleagues, getting us more details. Let me first go across to Shefali. So Air India has released a statement confirming that this incident did occur.
Yes, the Air India has confirmed that this incident has occurred on 22nd of June when the flight was departed from Delhi at around 9:15 at night.
All right. Okay, I think we've lost that line with Shefali. Let me go across to Hina for more on this. Hina, when did the pilots get to know? Were there any, warnings issued by the air traffic control, the Pakistani Traffic Authority?
Well, as of now, we don't have any such details. What we can tell you that this has happened and why it is an important update because Swati, Pakistani airspace remains closed for Indian aircraft and Indian airlines, and this ban in fact was imposed in April 2025 after the Pahalgam attack. Since then, there are restrictions that are continuing. So what Air India right now has confirmed to us that yes, on 22nd of June, it was an Air India flight AI 479 that was going from Delhi to Amritsar. It marginally, briefly infringed into the Pakistani airspace while, maneuvering a go-around at Amritsar airport. This is the only information that the airline has confirmed so far. Air India has also added that the incident has been reported to the relevant regulatory authorities, which is the DGCA in this particular case, and is also being investigated internally as to what really led to something like this happen. Because remember, like I said, the Pakistani airspace remains shut, so Indian aircraft, Indian airlines are not allowed to enter the Pakistani airspace. So why did it really happen? Who was at fault really? We don't know any such details yet, but this incident took place on 22nd of June. We'll see what the government or DGCA will have to say on it.
Absolutely. Now, the pilots are always in touch with the staff on ground. So this deviation must have been noticed. It happened during a go-around maneuver is what we are given to understand, and it has been reported to the regulatory authorities by Air India. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. Shefali and Hina, thank you for getting us the details.